Have you ever wondered how products withstand drops? Today, we'll dive into the drop test. This test ensures durability and reliability. First, gather your materials, a measuring tape, safety gear, and the product. Next, choose a drop height. Common heights are 3 feet or 6 feet. Secure the product at this height. Ensure it's positioned correctly. Then, drop the product onto a soft surface. This helps prevent damage. Observe the impact carefully. Check for any visible damages or issues. Record your findings. Note any cracks, dents, or performance changes. Let's say you dropped a smartphone. After a 6-foot drop, check for screen cracks. If it survives, great. If not, consider design adjustments. In summary, a drop test reveals product durability. It helps identify flaws before market release. Remember, knowing how to conduct this test ensures safety and quality. Now, try conducting your own drop test. Subscribe for more how-tos. Have you ever wondered about the science behind these tests? They involve not just raw measurements but also a keen understanding of materials and their properties. Each product behaves differently upon impact, influenced by factors like weight, shape, and construction. For instance, a lightweight plastic item may shatter upon hitting a hard surface, while a heavier metal product might simply take the hit without significant damage. It's crucial to account for these variables when evaluating durability. Take detailed notes during the tests, as they provide critical insights for future enhancements. The more thorough your testing, the better prepared you'll be for any design challenges ahead. Understanding the behavior of various materials is essential for successful testing. Different textures and constructions can alter how energy disperses upon impact, making some products more prone to damage than others. For example, phones with added protective casing may fare better than those without. Additionally, examining the surface on which the product lands can affect the results. Soft surfaces cushion the fall, whereas concrete can exacerbate potential harm. After conducting your drop tests, review the results rigorously. Each observation contributes to a comprehensive understanding of product durability, guiding effective design choices for enhanced reliability and user satisfaction. By following these steps, you empower yourself to create safer, more robust products that stand the test of time. Always remember the importance of thorough testing. It's not just about proving durability but also about fostering trust with your consumers. Happy testing!